What if you could prove something without revealing any details about it? Imagine proving you're over 21 without showing an ID or showing you solved a puzzle without giving the answer. It's not magic, it's cryptography. Zero-knowledge proofs, or ZKPs, let you prove something is true without revealing any details. And they might be the future of online privacy. We'll explain how, with two cool examples. A zero-knowledge proof is a clever method that lets one person, the prover, convince another, the verifier, that a certain statement is true, but without sharing why it's true or any extra info. In other words, you can prove you know a secret without revealing the secret itself. For instance, imagine I have a locked box and I claim I know the key combination. With a ZKP-style approach, I could go into another room, unlock the box, and bring out an item from inside. You didn't see the code, but seeing that I opened the box proves I have the right key. That's the idea of ZKPs, proof without peeking. We get the validation, the box opened, and nothing else. A real-world example comes from Sam Altman's cryptocurrency project, Worldcoin, and we actually have a full video on it if you want a deep dive. Here's how it works. The orb scans your eye to check if you're a real human and that you haven't already signed up. Once that's confirmed, it creates a unique code, a hash, that gets sent to your phone. That code is now your private proof that you're a real verified person. The original I scan? It's deleted immediately. Nothing personal is stored. And thanks to zero-knowledge proofs, you can use that code to prove you're a unique human without revealing your identity. No name, no photo, just the cryptographic yes that you're real. So when Sam Altman's own AI bots start flooding the internet, websites won't ask you to solve a puzzle to prove you're human. AI can do those now. Instead, they might just ask for your orb hash, your private proof that you're a real person, fast, anonymous, and impossible for AI to fake. Hear the Worldcoin CEO explaining this in his own words.
Alex, we refer to Worldcoin as a crypto project, but I'm interested in the retinal scanning component, the underlying technology.
I'm the CEO of Tools for Humanity, which is a kind of one of the main and of course the founding contributor to Worldcoin, but there will be many others as we go forward. But now to your question, actually explaining where the competence lies, how does it fit together with crypto? The original idea of Worldcoin was starting a financial network based on the idea of proof of personhood. Proof of personhood essentially means that you as a user, you can verify online that you are a unique human being without revealing any privacy related data. So you actually, let's say actually with Twitter or X, you want to verify on X that you're an actual human being, you're not a bot, which we believe will be increasingly important as we go forward, as AI becomes increasingly powerful. You will be able to just do that with World ID without revealing any personal information about yourself by using what is called zero-knowledge proofs. And that is, for example, that's one of the pieces why crypto is important. In cryptography, there is something called zero-knowledge proofs that lets you prove certain statements without actually revealing the underlying information, which is very, very important.
Another example of zero-knowledge proof in action is Zcash, a cryptocurrency that hides your payment details. Here's how. When you send money, Zcash creates a special proof using math that says, this payment is valid, the sender has enough money and nothing's fake. But instead of showing who sent it, who got it, or how much, it just shows that the math checks out. The network sees the proof, approves the transaction, and your personal info stays hidden. Zero-knowledge proofs aren't just cool tech. They could be the foundation of trust in a world full of AI. As the line between bots and humans gets blurrier, this might be how we prove we're real without giving up who we are. If you want to stay ahead of where the internet is going, this is the tech to watch.